In the dashboard, click on the side draw menu at the top left. In the side draw menu, select the Transact menu. In the top swiping menu, select Materials. Select Type of Transaction. Select the date. Enter other details like invoice number and vendor name. Fill in the details of the item being purchased. Click on the plus button to add more items. Click the Select File to add any attachment. Add comments if needed. Click on the Submit button. Material Transaction Added message is displayed on the screen. Select the payment dues in the swiping menu. List of pending payments is displayed here. Click on the Pay button to make a payment. Select the date and add the amount to be paid. Click the Pay button to finish the transaction. Select the petty cash in the swiping menu. Fill the details of the transactions. Click the Submit button. Submitted successfully. Submitted message is displayed on the screen. The entry is now listed below.